So this is a banana silk collection that we carry. It's been very, very popular with designers, but the question is always, how risky is it in terms of spills, spillage, servicing? And so I'm at the manufacturer now, as you can clearly see, and we're going to actually just test it out with a Coke. Alright, and this is an Ivory sample, so we're being pretty transparent here. This is the Coke, a realistic spill, maybe like that much. Alright? Give it about a minute to not just let it sit. Because you're panicking. What do I do? Oh my gosh, I bought this expensive rug from Kebabian. What the heck? Alright. So, the first thing I would do is just get a paper towels. We only have napkins here, so that's all we're going to do. We're going to blot it. Alright, you got the paper towels. Try to get as much of it to come out as possible on its own. And these dyes are very fast, so it's a quality hand-knotted rug still. But the dyes aren't going to bleed, and it can take a wash. It is still ultimately a semi-synthetic fiber, this banana silk. So the question is how risky is it, and we're just trying to figure that out. So now I've blotted as much as I can, really, I think. I'm just going to add some water.
Just take a cloth.
Oh, more. Yeah. Use a cloth so I have more. This issue is one. Thank you.
I'd say just do a good rub down with the wet cloth.
And as you can see, even the fibers are not shedding too much. It's a good quality fiber. Now the only thing we can do is let this sit and dry, and we'll check back in maybe like 30 minutes, see how we're doing, alright?
So put the pile this way. Yes.
Yeah, this is the pile's going this way, so we're doing that. The only thing we can do is wait and see how it dries next, to see where we're at, and whether professional cleaning is needed next. Alright?
Okay.
Thank you. So I just got back from India. This is the sample we had tried staining to see what would happen. I didn't have time to stay there and let the rug dry and then fix it there. But as you can see, it's left a bit of a stain, so we're going to try and fix it on our end here and see what happens. So Dad, can you just do a close-up and show where it's left a stain? It hasn't left a big stain, it actually hasn't done too much. But we're going to try and fix it and see how much we can get out for this banana silk. Alright, thank you.
Yep.
Alright, so now we're just going to wash this sample. Regular soap and water, nothing too fancy. See how it comes out. And you can show a close-up, please. Alright. And Meg Daddy, squeegee? Let's do a squeegee. Oh yeah. We'll see how it comes out. Alright, thank you. That's good. Alright, so this is the sample after the wash that we've been talking about. As you can see, just with soap and water, it's almost come out completely. So they're really, if we did a little more work on this with our other methods too, we'd probably do better. And this was with the Coke stain sitting in here for over a week. So for this quality banana silk product, it's definitely much, it has wider application than you might think.